very serious.
I feel you guys. Thank you.
When I double tap, I say yes, I'm very serious.
When they talk for you.
When I meet the mother, about 4 months ago, I've never seen her. I avoid her for almost 15 years. Now, just like 4 months ago, now I see her for one party where my friends say, Magic. My friends call me Magic, you know. Say, Magic, man, go out now. Because of this woman, you know, you go there, avoid her, I go come slow your social life down. Now I go out. True, she was there. I don't even recognize her again because I blank her from my memory. Then my friend called her and said, she'll see your ex-wife. Now she come greet us for here just now. I said, really? Maybe she did say, I know. I said, I don't know. I better tell her, say, I don't know. Now my friend called me and said, when you greet just now, where Magic not answer you, Magic not really know, say, now you. And Jehovah Almighty know, say, I don't know, because not be that. I avoid women totally when I'm in Europe. I avoid them. So I know they won't see them. I don't want anything. I thank God I am blessed. I don't want to say I get my money.
Now they hear
you know, I did do my things. Thank God. Now just 4 months ago, now I tell her and say, you know, Zillion. My daughter named Zillion. I named the boy Zion. I named the girl Zillion. I said, you know, Zillion didn't know up to now that I am not Zion's father. He said, no, they know. I said, no. Zillion just confirmed it to me that she didn't know. It was me who told her, and she was in shock till today. Did she told you that we spoke together? He said she know, and I know saying a lie. Zillion hide down from her mother because the mother run me down for the children. She run me down for the children. Now Zillion can they open up small. You never see open up finish small. This is what mommy said. You don't want to take your responsibility. You are working, but you don't give her money. You just left. You don't want to spend money for us. You don't buy food at home. Which man on earth, as I be guy man rich, go look my profile, go look all my pictures. Go check me. As I be guy man rich. If I go party, if waiting you wear, if you're waiting your wife wear, I be street. If waiting your wife wear past my wife own, I dey come out for the party. If waiting your wife wear past my wife own, I dey come out for that party. Because I know my quality. People when know me. Say I'm Magic, you know. Since when the woman come this country, till I leave her, I not just say she buy underwear one day on her own from shop. Now me they go buy her. All the clothes, now me they buy, washes, name it. I be guy. You know what I mean? I say I be street, you know. I be guy to the call. So I know if it's see my pikin, like what she tell them, say, I know I run from my responsibility. I don't want to spend on them. I don't want to do this, and which is all bullshit. All this talk now just to make the children run away from me.
That is called manipulate.
Make the truth will not come out. Yes. Make them for not know the truth. But at the end of the day, they are grown up now. My daughter don't know the truth. She know already now. Since that time I follow her talk, I think she's still in shock. I think she's still now once. Then she go say, hey daddy. Once. Since that time come reach now, I never talked to her past 4 times. But I give her her time. And let her take her time. I have other children, you know. So what will be. So every guy here go and do DNA test. It not cost anything. Make the woman they stay in your house. Make una two they sleep the same bed 24/7. If you say they go shop, other thing will happen along the line. So everybody do a DNA test and don't put all your hope on a woman and don't beat any woman. If you put your hands on any woman, you will go to jail. Some people will spend 5 years, 6 years before you know if you push somebody now, if you go for, if you die, so if you buy. So avoid putting hands on anybody, even as a man. Now animals supposed to fight.
You know, yes, human being. Now one be only. Now only the girl be only.
Now only the girl be my own. People know me in Stockholm. Call anybody for. Now me make people for Sweden begin do DNA tests. Now me Magic make people begin do DNA tests. For Benin, for my friends, among my friends, now me. For worry among my friends, now me make people begin do DNA tests because the thing come as I say sure. As Magic 9, I don't want to praise myself. As Magic was rich, this woman can't go give her pikin not being on. Guys can't begin do DNA tests. Everybody, all my children, I do for all of them. My sisters, all their children, they do. My brothers, all their children, they do. So who they hear me, make you hear me well. If you get wife, go do DNA test. So gather. If you not get the money, carry concrete, make sure say you do DNA test. So you fit take your hand, knock chest, as I take my hand, they knock chest, say, this one on my pikin. Now few men go feed one. As I they talk, so some go they think now. As I they, some people they listen now, they go they think now, say, oh boy, this thing fit be, if it still they happen to me, if it not think of the money, not let the woman not say they go. The woman go, he go hold you to say, no problem, if you want go do and no wahala. Now lie, it just they tell you, just the picture to make you feel confident, also now your own. But at the end of the day, if it not be your own. So for you to take your hand to knock chest 100%, you know it be 100%. Now me, I'm there among them. I'm there among the few if you take and knock my chest 100%. So this speaking on my own. Because I do DNA test for my 6 children. I not let the money think not 300 euro. I not let the money tire me. 300 euro I do the DNA for each one. 300 euro for each one. So I take the pain from that one will happen to me. I go do DNA test for the rest of my children. Even the ones where I don't born before I married this girl. So I still call her. I say, come. He come. I say, I want to do DNA test. He say, well, what happened, Daddy? I said, don't be offended. I'm sorry. You see what happened with me and my ex-wife. So I'd like to do a DNA test. Or you don't want to be 100% sure I'm your dad? He said, sure. I said, okay, I will pay for it. That's what I do it for all of them. So make everybody will listen to me. Make you go do DNA test. If you not get the money, borrow. If you not feel borrow, carry pongpo. If you not feel carry pongpo, beg friends. Come social media, say you want to do DNA test. Make people help you. People will help you. Person like me go help. Yes. Person like me go help. I feel not give you all the money. I'll not be below. Not true what not true. I said, I don't tell you my name. I don't tell you where I did for Sweden. I tell you, now few people go do them. I say, see the city are there. They Stockholm. And I Stockholm are there. As for magic, many people know me for Stockholm here. So I don't do for Stockholm since '94. I know I'll be old dog for here. You know what I mean? Yeah. I'll be old dog here. You know what I mean? Yeah. So make everybody be very careful of the kind of woman you have. Many people, they train other people's children. They don't even know. Sometimes I go to see many people say, these are my family. For my mind, I say, you sure say all of them are your own. For my mind, I know they talk. And that's why they do my own. If you just say, meet my wife, this is my children, this is the. For my mind, I just talk and feel. I say, you don't. I don't tell some of them. So I say, but you don't do DNA test. They say, Magic, why you talk so now? I say, no, me, I do. Now make I talk. I do. I better not vex. I'll just tell you. Yes, so I just tell you, bros, I better not vex. You be my friend. I better not vex. But me, I do DNA test. But all my friends when know me, all of them do when know me will be my friends. At least 100 people when I know do DNA tests. Many do for Stockholm here, for Sweden here. Nigeria, many do. For England, many do. For Germany, many do. For Holland, many do. For Switzerland, for Austria, many of my friends, everybody begin to do DNA tests. I know say that time, the hospital, they do DNA tests, not the small money they will make. Na fact. And thank God today, before you bring anybody come Europe, your embassy will tell you, the country may go do DNA tests because they don't see what they happen. They don't know as people don't carry other people's children come. It don't cause breakage. It don't cause heartbreak. It don't cause divorce. It don't cause suicide. How you go marry some people, now 3 of the children not just be their own, 4 not be their own. So everybody should be careful. Be very mindful of who you say. The my last born now, Star is just she's just 7 years. She's going to 8 years. As I tell the mama, say I am going to do DNA test as I enter Nigeria. She says she dey wait me I can do am. She knows I go do am. She knows say I go do am. Even though she resemble me from head to toe, somebody don't see her for outside. They call and say, "It's Magic, your father." I'm trying to tell you the resemblance, but still, I will still do the DNA test because of past experience. Yes. So everybody listening to me, please go do your DNA test. It's important. Very important. Very, very important.
Now they hear us so. Now what they talk so.
The reality. Ask people where they Stockholm. If you know anybody from Stockholm, so you know anybody they call them Magic. If they do DNA test, if not old dog get or test and not true, you do DNA test. So now make people they do now.
Do imagine.
Do and when.
To tell you say women they loyal to their feeling. As he tell the woman, instead of the woman to say, now see what happen. You see they manipulate the word. Those people, those gender, They go manipulate you, put you for that prison.
If suppose you tell me say sorry, that
run away for black women. Now, son, I don't want to hear word. If they do now, una go know what that they call black women in Europe. So, you got what you want to discuss for you. We listen to you, brother. Thank you, Magic. Thank you very much for this word we just bring come out. So we all learn here. We now learn with the learn here. I believe say many men don't they learn now. If not like, no, not the hear what they talk now. No, na go suffer. Those people, they don't mean well for black men in Europe. Those African women, they go manipulate you for them, put you for prison, and they go they happy. That's what they be. If you like, listen. If you like, they say not be all women. I'm not saying now all women, but the majority, almost all of them,
they pay child support. I see the pay child. I still pay child support. I still pay child support for people not be back home because I have already signed it from the beginning that it's mine. That the text I go jail put. I go the shame to talk. I went to jail for that. So be very careful. Black women. Me I the advice everybody say not carry woman come Europe. Woman wey dey talk say domosa in the morning, lamogo in the morning, wey go in tuning go touch ground. If you come Europe after 2 weeks, the tuning not go dey touch ground again. Na only 1 knee. After 1 year, you not go dey kneel down dey salute you again. The body dey tell you say go dey tell you say good morning. You get when you go reach, you go tell you who dey cook for you before. You go tell say guy, food dey fridge if you dey hungry and dey rush dey comot so you know dey cook again. Oh boy. No, now wake up. More not try. Okay, not be saying every woman. No, not be every woman, but 80%.
The one way good, the percentage is too low. It's too low.
That make I say 80% are bad.
Good way there. Good.
You know how many divorces there for Europe here?
Yes, I believe that one.
You know what I talk? I say good ones there, but now if you reach 20%, now by the grace of God. But 80% are bad. I know many people for Stockholm here who don't divorce. And many of them, they bring their wife come. Or they meet themselves here. 80% of the people when I know that time, let's say 50% of the people I know that time, they don't divorce. Let me put it that way. Let me not exaggerate. Yeah. So guys, everybody be careful. So anybody who want to contribute, if you want to ask me a question, go to my DM or follow me up, add me. I'll reply you. I'll give you little advice as much as I can.
When I don't hear us,
that's how it is, bro.
Not be joke with the joke for you.
You heard from the horse's mouth. You heard it from the horse's mouth.
And they told us say women for Europe, that's how they be like crocodile when they inside water. If you crocodile inside water, you fall for inside that water, you already know the result. That you know the result.
Of course.
There be crocodile for inside Europe. Women, black African women, are crocodile for inside Europe. If you fall for inside their mouth.
Mostly.
What you see?
These two countries, Nigeria and Ghana. These are the two worst African countries when it comes to divorce. When their women is very manipulative in Europe. That is why we don't go far. You go see that they want buy Fendi, they want buy Gucci. Okay, me when they do at the street guy, they do things for you. You not still this at I constantly say you to say this that what happen. When you go just kneel down, begin cry, begin beg, say you don't know it happen. Lie, say you don't know it happen. Lie, say make verse. They
don't tell you what they owe them. But they're loyal to their feeling. They don't care about you. And see, I understand you. That is why they tell us say, I don't say for that situation. So no man will feel save the hand. No man will feel keep the hand for that situation. And I know how that will take the hand. I know how she will take the hand. Those people.
I say she grip my shirt, my neck.
No, I don't know them.
It can't be like say now me, now be the problem, and now she be the problem. It can't be like say now me, I do bad thing. Everybody come they want look me for stock me for sweet to say magic you just run with your wife. What did they do you now? They begin talk all sort of different story that is not true. If not be say her friend, one of her friends know everything when happen. That one can even there be spreading news. Before
brother, when do they talk so? When do they talk so? It happened to me. This woman, he can feel my name. I don't even feel. I be better. I don't even feel defend myself. Hey. All those people, who never see something. And the one now, African men, waiting I pass through, I wish God not stand for me, or I don't get strong brain. I don't feel go square again. I don't feel do anything again. my life go just go. I don't know how to take this cover, but I thank God, though. I shall still thank God for good friend when I have for you. See,
I think
if you go all the people go manipulate them, all the people go they see you as a bad person. Now she be the Kokomo, but he go manipulate all the people around you. And then all those people say, I don't know whether they don't get brain.
I couldn't talk the waka, my friend. I couldn't talk the waka for Swiss. My friend couldn't say, Magic, go home. My friend, go home. Magic, go home now. Go home. You know, they see yourself for Magic. You be my friend. They see you. My very good friend. We don't be friends for more than 30 years now. They say, they see you, Magic. Things is not fine. Go home. Forget this thing. Go stay home. Just relax. She not let me go home. Because my family don't fit tell me. They say, this woman, where they carry, they go. So you trust this kind of woman. You trust, you know, say your mama, they see things before you see her. My mama warn me.
No be the same gender. They no good for you now.
Host, good evening, everybody.
Thank you.
Good evening, host.
My case.
Good evening. I greet you.
Host, I felt all this word that day. As I did now, I be spirit on my own. Woman no go fit manipulate people against me. You know why? Even if you go manipulate people against me no care about nobody.
That is the dream. I don't care.
I don't care about nobody.
My life they go up. I don't care what you talk.
Let me tell you something. If woman manipulate people around me against me, they get what they want put for my pocket. I don't get business with black people for Italy, for Europe when I do. Every of my business for here are white people.
What
did I want to
yes, most of my friends are white now. White. Is this was a women even feel manipulate your family against? I say, I wish my family not be people when they know me, especially my sister, not be person when know me well. If I don't manipulate her, this one, my sister know me well. Like I said, no, I don't believe. See, those people.
Just you that day. Say how my baby mama we born for me to manipulate my sisters against me. At the end of the day, everything when she tell my sister, when my sister won't come beg me, we said to my sister can't tell me everything. My sister can't tell me everything. I tell her, say, me no even send. Even if what she tell you,
me are not send though. Me are not the same.
You they use and follow me behave. Me no send.
I feel like myself. May we not talk to each other. May everybody they do their own. My life is
wahala.
Now so those people.
Me send bagger. Me send any bagger.
I don't send any
manipulate people. Manipulate people. No concern me. Now what thing I won't do. You go force me make a marry you now by force.
Now so when
you dey go Europe, na me pay, na me carry you go Europe. Na me you pay gbese to.
I follow this community. I know they feel am. Because what you dey bring come outside so na human being life na we dey save for year. As we dey hear am so they follow, they like, they double type. See, anything wey you like for here, keep am for yourself.
I greet the house so. Abona, good evening.
Good evening, my brother.
I better not be the same thing when I sit tell you say my own before I come from work, because I talk about DNA. Before my two children, before I come for work, I not see my own again for us. I said we not quarrel. I see they talk. I say we not quarrel. Nothing happen. She cook for me. We make love before I travel, go to Reno, go work because I do paneling solari work. I be electrician. Before I come for work, I tell her say we need to do DNA test because it's my last born. The last born, that one the way they do, I the suspect not be my own, but the first one, I don't see the first one be like my own because the way they look that one they always they collaborate with me, the way they come they meet me, the way they. But the second one, that one just the way that one take day, I the suspect that one not be my own. I come tell and say, baby, did I say this one not be my? He say, why go they talk like that? Which kind of word be that one? I said before I come back, because she knows I can afford the DNA test money. Before I come back for Torino, brother, I don't meet this woman again. This woman already started the process October last year. That's it. 2 years ago now she leave me. October last year. Now she just I come as I put key for us. Now people call me my in-law for Ferezi. I come and say. As they talk to me, so my woman, my ex-woman, they carry children come from my house. And I said, what happened? I send her money. And Budugudu said that very day when she come from my house, I send her money for ticket for the children and everything. But these women, they are very, very terrible.
You got to be very, very strong in mind.
They are very terrible. Now, I believe, say, That second one not be my own. It's just that what this magic pass through. The second one not be my own. Could you believe say till today I know they say my children again. You know they allow me see the children and they beg. Make I talk to the children for where, bro.
No,
My brother, if you don't like you talk to children, you stay away. No be only two be that one. Say my own are four.
No waste your time. Begin fight, begin argue. Just
my
stay away
baby
from
mama
her.
go tell
The
my
children
children
will
make them
grow.
block me today. Tomorrow they go open me for WhatsApp.
But my brother,
I know
Yes.
me no even
really say
send them.
this woman,
No
my
waiting
brother.
help me. You know what help
They
me.
will grow.
You know what
The
help me.
children will grow.
2010, I can't go quick marry for Nigeria. I can't go get two children for Nigeria. When they come say I get two children for Nigeria, now they go to open my WhatsApp. Oh. They come say me no send them. Me no send them.
Correct.
Now winner.
Me no send them. Me no send them now. As I don't like them for years, so if you say as I free, nobody they bother me but you.
Na so me I can't get free of my brother. I mean, it's just like what this magic touch you say you go dey waka for road. Brother, if I dey waka for road, I no get myself. I say motor nene jam me for road and then for straight. Anybody
no
wey
like
see
woman
me
put
go
you
say
for
bless say you no dey okay. You bless say you no dey
Bros,
okay.
that
People
wait,
say
wait,
you no
make I
dey
tell one
okay.
thing. Make I tell one thing. Men, as you never enter this situation, so because not all men will get this kind of
I
break.
tell you, most people will
The
never
problem, man,
understand.
it's tough.
Most people
It's
will
tough.
not
And the one and now, I know they sugarcoat matter.
Well,
I don't tell
brother.
you say I beg do am. Now one and they warn you.
Boss
These
Julius.
African women know you know.
Boss Julius.
Leave them.
But Julius, this work, this thing you
Yeah.
are doing right now, this word you are saying every day, and always they see you every day. Sometimes, every word where they come outside from your man, it's like you are always talking to me. You dey always dey talk to me, brother. As I dey tell you so, I dey see African women dey run. If they greet me for road, I no dey answer again, brother.
Now so me they do. I need to hear them again.
Bro.
If there's a guy for you, go to that for that place.
If it ever
And they
happen
talk
to
them.
brother,
If
just
go-
like what you said, if it ever happen to you, you won't understand. If it ever happen to you won't understand. You know, say where person not go, who not go, no know. Now who go, nah know. Well,
Who are to learn,
arrest my case.
I dey feel you.
Arrest my case.
We go dey talk am. Who wan hear make it
No, some people will never believe. Some people will not
suffer.
believe all these things. Some people feel they are doing the best thing.
The way nurse, the way when you go take talk and reach, now you go talk and reach. Who like making here, who no like me, making no here. I say we shall not get wife from Nigeria. Therefore, use me to bondo for here. Bondo. I for don't become layman. I for don't depressed.
Yes, sir.
I dey tell you the truth. Women dey here.
I depressed now, but today I don't live for more than 15 years. Today I am happy. My wife is in Nigeria. I have a beautiful daughter. I have a beautiful wife. I live alone here. I have a 3-bedroom apartment. Everything is. I have my steady job. I have everything. And if I want to stay in Nigeria 10 years, I wish to do that. If I want to stay one day, I wish to do that. So sometime I will go Nigeria. I'll stay 2 years. I'll come back. I feel stay like only 3 months for here. I'll go back again. My job is always waiting for me because of the kind of job what they do here. I work with health, so they always need people in this department. In that field, yes. So they always need people. So once you don't start and once you don't come in, now then they rush me, not be me they rush them.
Now so it be now. If you drop one today, another one they enter tomorrow.
Yes, of course.
You know the right application say, God, if they drop today, one of my friends went drop work today. Tomorrow they enter work. That one.
Boss, I tell you now. I tell you now. Now this year, I go to Baba. I beg, boss, man. You tell now. My cheap is something. I beg, no verse. You see this Nigeria. Most times, I remember say she always dey talk say my ex-woman they always dey talk say. Your mate don't go Nigeria, come back. You never feel go Nigeria. Your mate don't build us, you never feel go Nigeria. You never feel build us. Within the space of a year and 6 months, brother. Now this year I come from Nigeria. I'm doing well with the rest of mine.
There be evil that will break you down.
I tell you, bro.
No.
I say,
You know the latest now for Torino. You dey talk about. You know the latest now. Married women now go dey fuck around. Now be the latest now for here. Now be the latest for here.
Chris, where you dey stay?
I dey stay for. I dey Italy here. I dey Italy.
Okay, Italy.
Na Italy I dey. Papa, it's not easy. Yeah, now the year is periculous right now. Now vampire pool everywhere. Vampire.
Then I
No be
only
lie
your
you.
place it up. Now me first talk before you. I know say you confirm
Now
the get
vampire. Now
comment
Italy
that
be
way.
now. Italy now na vampire. Could you believe say?
The question we say about the question we are say about
Go
outer
ahead,
bros.
Baba.
He
Go ahead,
say
area.
after he don't detect,
Make
after he
una
don't
power
detect,
tap. Make una power tap for the man. Make una power tap for
Mona
am.
dey double
he see
time.
the
Mona dey
pay.
do am. Mona dey follow the
He see the
community.
pay. He said he see the pay for the pikin. That for that pikin will not be in you.
Yes, sir.
Or how?
No, I don't stop. I don't stop now because you don't pass 19.
Don't
The
pass
pikin don't
18.
pass of age. You don't pass. No, if you don't pass
Okay.
18 and you still want to go school,
You see,
you still, and if the pikin don't
inside
pass
comment
18,
section here, you see many people get this wahala.
If you don't reach 18
I dey
years,
tell you, they get am. Bros,
we read
make I ask you
comments.
one question, bros. That time when they go N9, so go they spend 2 years. You see they pay?
listen, if you not work, if you are not
if you don't reach 18 years, you know fit pay
No,
again.
wait,
Don't tell am
wait,
make
wait,
you do the work.
No. Listen. If
Wait
a child
first.
is more than 18 years, listen now. If a child is more than 18 years and child is still going to school,
This one,
you will pay until the child is 21.
the right now already.
But the day the
Depend
pikin
on you.
school,
If you want make she work, make she go school. Depend on you.
now listen to me now. It is the rules, it is the constitution, it is how it is here in Sweden. If the child is over 18, my daughter is she's more than 18, but she's as long as she's going to school,
I explained to
she's going to
you
school,
9 years ago.
yes, as long as she's going to school, you will still have to pay that side support for her because she's going to school until that child is 2021, then you stop. Then the other boy will not be my own, for instance. I was still paying until they became 18, and then when they start working, it was when I stopped paying. You know, say for here, when you don't sign, who is the father of this child, you bring birth certificate and your name there. And your name, not just your pikin, whether you adopt the pikin or whether there's anything happen, na your name there, you have to
Say that year we just dey do that one for ignorance. Now they do.
ignorance.
Yeah.
Yes.
First you carry pikin come out, you claim and say you go dey take off and you dey in charge. This one.
Not try am, not try to.
No. This 2026, as everything come change, you don't dey see marriage for social media like before again.
They know they marry for here
You
again.
don't see
No.
person wey don need that. You don't see person wey don need that. They put ring for another.
At all.
Again.
Not the again.
Wetin dey always.
Baba, make I lighten the house. I beg, make I talk something. abeg.
Wetin dey always.
You don't dey see that.
Wetin dey
Anybody
always dey
fit do
cause.
that one
Wetin dey
now.
always dey cause this
I
kind
get
thing.
one guy. I get one guy.
Let me say something, please.
May I quit talk one, my brother. I dey see
No,
one.
let that guy with the one talk since. Let talk first.
It get one girl after when this story something will happen to me where I explained before. When it don't happen to me, it can't get one girl where I go jam again. The same this apple there. You know what if just do me? He just pay down my 300 euro. Big on. I said, did he come pay me? I mean, I owe tele for all this kind muguchi before. Did he come pay me? I just gave vote art for that girl, even up to today. I just gave vote art for her, no you lie. He dey pull this thing back. He get one robot guy wey come use the phone now. We be say he want do birthday. He dey declare everywhere. He dey do everything. I say, now you also put there one corner. I no block that guy. I don't have to get one there. I say, I dey look the drama wey wan happen. Me wey explain to you, they tell me say this one the other one. Say me I don't get partner before me I go reconcile with her. As he just talk that he go reconcile. He just bust my brain. You dey hear me? You wey no dey for my shoe, they tell me say make me go reconcile. You understand? He just dey declare they form they go they print card come out for her. I dey for what they start to just dey monitor them. I just dey wait. I didn't hear me because me I been want tell that guy say if you know say you go succeed for that transfer, but as a gamma I can't swallow my this thing. I can't swallow. I don't want to talk because even that money we chop. See in one word they as a Benin person wey you be me and you na see the same trapper person. You know my condition, and you see they keep me put. Now that one just invest me.
That is why I just say, even though say you no matter the law, when you see all those red flag, that red flag supposed to draw your whole attention for plan B.
The problem.
Bros, make I tell you, if you love the cash, you know they see that flag.
You know they think of. Thank you, no.
But you don't go feel the heart because of love.
Thank you. No, so, area, please let me give you another red flag. We're no longer together again. Let me give you one red flag. I was thinking, but I see this red flag again. Could you believe say when this for like this woman, my woman and my ex woman and woman will be say she dey like every month she dey always do hair. Could you believe say when she start the process of this separation, if I tell her say make she go do hair every month, she go say no, she no want do hair.
Because you want make people see say you know them take care of them again.
Yeah. Could you believe today they said she left my house? I was not
maybe like me, no man go talk to Africa woman again for this.
Brother, could you believe the day she left my house? They said they were not asking her. They said they were not asking her. The assistant social people, they were not asking her, why are you looking so tattered? Could you believe she tell them say, I know they give her money, I know they take off her. I thought the children me they take off, and this lady, so they always anytime I come enter Napoli, I must make sure she go do her hair. They know me now. They know me for there. We do space her. I will buy motor for her. I buy motor for her. I put her for driving school before I buy motor for her.
No, even they spoil them.
What I go do, my brother? If you love me, now we dey
I don't love nothing.
No.
My brother, if you love a woman, if you love woman,
to buy motor for a wife, nobody for wife.
If you love woman, no go take up
If all of them talk together, I'm not going to
plan B no go do your intention. You will never have.
My brother, where they talk. My brother,
moderator, pause some people.
Pause some people. Bros.
No, give lifetime chance make it talk.
Control the crowd.
I just
Not
want
control the
to say one or
crowd.
two something. See, I not say woman they good though. I not want conside woman. Sometimes when things they go wrong, they always they get the part when they get fought, because now we be men. If men want to approach women, now men they approach women. Now men they ask for woman in the marriage. You understand me? If you be man when you don't marry, now you they ask the woman for hand in marriage. Before you go all through those process, at least there are things that will make you to go in through all those things. Especially now the woman, they make you want to do her. Because sometimes this social media they make us to come depend some kind of thing, which is not true. As a man when you be, according to how this my brother till they talk, as a man when you be, you put woman for house, you pay bride price, things they go home for inside the home. You understand? You don't know. You know they are aware according to how you take they explain things now on your own. You know they are aware of those things. Then automatically things come they happen. When things come they go in the wrong way, then you come they see and say the things they go in the wrong way. You come they see the bad things because now you approach that woman for the first time. Now you do everything. Sometimes more the like the know the part where we dey go wrong.
I don't understand. You just they talk. I know they understand what you they talk. I don't understand. Wait, they just hit the point.
What will be your point? What is your point?
So my point is that the way my brother say it, say woman say they accuse him of waiting he do, or waiting the woman they do now before they separate. I don't know whether they don't separate. You understand? But sometimes he himself suppose know say if things they go wrong for home when they say the regular they take care of, you go know as a man.
If woman won't leave you, you know they know. You know they know. You know they know.
But you don't. The woman don't tell you something. if your woman do you something, brother, you not gonna know what you they do again. They
Lifestyle,
go make your brace scatter.
lifestyle. If you never wear the, if you now we know wear the shoe. If you never pass through this thing, you know go feel understand.
Hold on,
There's no
make
You
me.
way
know
you
go
can
fit now.
understand.
Hold on, bro. Hold on. May I tell this guy? This guy when just talking just. May I tell you something? Are you aware this Europe when we did? Nobody eat belle food say won't marry. Either you give them belle. Waiting I go
But
come to say sticky don't do.
why there's marriage in this Western world? What is the
Marriage
purpose
no
of the
dey
marriage
Western
of the
world.
Western?
Now business dey Western world. Business.
I eat better
Marriage
food
no
than
dey
what
here.
Mario. I go
Last
marry.
The
time you don't
marriage
marry.
not there.
Last time I ask you a question, you don't marry.
Yes,
Okay, you see they married now.
yes.
You think say they suck. Oh, I don't pray make your marriage scatter. I want make your marriage work because I love family. But not get up for my say you know go fit happen to you. Everybody when they talk for yes so that they reason like you. Now those women if they want change for you. Now one day they would your eye go clear.
Lifestyle 9 years ago. If they tell me say I go day here, this kind of a group, this kind of social media they talk like this, I go swear for the person.
Me self I go swear sleep.
I go swear for the person. Say I'll come day here for this kind of good day. They explain. See waiting my
Lifestyle. Lifestyle. Go do
say,
DNA test.
well,
Lifestyle.
so
Go do
now,
DNA
when we
test.
well, lifestyle. Everybody has his own opinion. You feel?
Yeah, Chris, may we take her for up to down. May we give a Brown time to talk. Lifestyle, your time don't pass. Brown,
Greetings, everyone. I greet everybody, bro. I greet you. I follow up with your program. You are doing a nice job, yeah.
I really appreciate it.
They update us, they keep us informed and aware concerning the Europe relationship and marriage stuff. Yeah. I really follow up with your program and I really they learn from them and they very, very updated. Yeah. Anyways, lifestyle, what's up, man? I greet you. I believe say my own opinion, yeah, because I believe say most of us also fall victims one way or the other, either marriage or relationship you get for Europe, yeah. But due to my own experience and waiting at us out so far concerning this whole marriage and relationship stuff, yeah. You know, Europe, yeah. May I speak for myself though? I believe say my own case, I don't say my own case, I just say in general, yeah. Majority out of 99% of marriage or relationship for Europe here where we did so, yeah. 99%. Yeah, na situationship, yeah. Now make us there, yeah. Most of us will find ourselves for relationship, we can't find ourselves with children. Most of us, 99%, yeah. Now, no, we say, according to lifestyle, that's not what the lifestyle they try point. When lifestyle try point out, we say, we as men, yeah, sometimes before we even go deep for Europe, yeah, we do observe, we dey see some red flag before we even born two sometime, one way or the other, most of us is here. You get, but based on seeing our Europe now, and make we just, changes fit come, like hope. We hope say yes. If
I see the red flag, I see a koro.
We dey see I see me, as in a lot of us.
I see now love the cash me.
But we see
Me, I not
it
see
because
my
they
own.
obsessed. Now Europe we dey and we know
I see
the
my
Europe
own.
style now. You know easy now. Even the babe to see herself every day, it will first stress you. If you say I want
Brown, Brown, you are very correct.
Host,
You get
unlike me.
so
Unlike me.
So me I don't go blame
Me no go
anybody.
care
when-
red flag. Me myself,
But-
even the woman wey get for children for me, no say me no send her. Me
Now
no
later
send.
you come understand say you know what they send them now before
Me
you first
never send them before. Right from the one, no send them.
No, boss. If you really love a woman, when a man loves a woman, my brother, even red flag, you go cut and send her love.
You go the thing say go change.
I dey lose my own
Me,
say
wait, wait.
she loves me, you know me, she no fit come on. My own, my brother will not quarrel. I come house, I not see them again. Finish. I put key for house. Now make me this I for the pain now. My own, they write my own scapato.
Chris, now you even they make me the talk for this thing. Me, for your quiet, they watch the program.
My own
You see,
scapato, I know the pay.
you see this thing where you dey talk and say you don't know as a man of the house, you don't know.
He say no say wife go comot.
See,
Na wetin dey
you
talk about.
don't know when things they go wrong. You don't know when things they go wrong. We all come from Africa, oh. Not be abroad. They
Like-
were born us to. When we say situationship,
Yes,
say
now after second born, now they start to do am. Na so
when
e
we
be.
dey,
Now after second
most-
born,
bro,
hey,
my brother,
dey.
most of our men, when you don't see the balance, they okay, they well okay. Say not be woman. dey into their life, and they go see fall victim of this thing when they say Chris they talk. You understand me? The problem when they say we they get, how we now, when we they complain now, is just a kind of complaint. How we now want to be educate our boys when they come up.
Now what they do for years, so
That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing.
But
That's what we're doing right now. Lifestyle, that's what we're doing. You are lighting everybody. This what Nurse is doing is an eye opener. Are you
Yes.
hearing me?
we don't want them to
Lifestyle.
suffer.
It's a high opener.
Many of them
That's why I'm here to enlighten, to also join us, to
But
enlighten.
your statement or what you are saying is not a
Okay.
kind of eye opener. Sorry. Me,
That's to you. That's to
why?
you.
You know why?
sorry.
If you Chris, you are
Yes.
trying to open another people's eyes that is coming up to want to marry or want to get kissed. You understand me? There's a way you will encourage them.
Tell
Not
us the
to
way
fall
now.
a victim. No, not to fall a victim.
Agree the house.
No, Lifestyle, we're not quarreling.
I beg. Sorry.
talk.
We know the react to people statement. So everybody they talk in you. And secondly, if somebody they talk in your story, you way they listen, you go they learn. So everything
Correct.
everybody they talk here, people where they listen, that they learn. And we just measure some red flag. If you deal with a woman, you dey date a woman, you see say that woman the way they do things, say my own thing and my own, your own and your own. That one a red flag. And if the woman they assist you, even there are some women that tell you say I will never assist any man in life, and you still go ahead to marry such a woman. That one a red flag. At the end, now you go blame yourself. And secondly, you the experience say the woman the way they like to put all the bills or she get. She say the responsibility of a man is to take care of a woman for her own not to take care of herself. Like our host, they talk and sis. All those things na red flag. If you never marry, you dey into courtship, you dey hear everything wey dey happen for here. You go dey use am take dey learn whether if you take am, that one na your own. If you not come take am, that one na your own. But at the end, make you not come cry the cry when some of us maybe say we don't experience am so they cry at the end. So everything we dey talk here na lesson. Who go here, who no go here. No go
Make it,
here.
make
Thank
it
you.
go.
Area, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Area, thank you very much. May God bless you. Lifestyle. If you, I don't know whether you know me before or I heard the statement. You see, listen to one statement where editor just now. He said maybe that she said you come, but to me,
No.
I don't know you before.
Only person
I don't know you
when
before.
know.
I'm only here to share my.
Bro, I
I'm
don't
only
know
here.
you. I
Nurse
just try to react to
know me
some
before.
when you are
This is not the
saying,
first time I'm here. I'm only
They
here
never
to.
hear your story before. That is why I don't drop better.
you don't know me before.
Now my first time to even join the
Okay,
live.
you don't know me. I'm always
Person
here.
when
I'm always
drag me come here. Person when drag me, I be brown. So now he drag
Okay,
me. So I
okay.
think of they listen to
Okay,
you.
Lifestyle.
But as a man, when you
Lifestyle, listen
as
to
a
me.
man,
Lifestyle, please let me
nobody's
land.
above mistake, bro. Nobody's above mistake. Everybody's
Lifestyle, listen to me,
about
please.
to have mistake.
I'm hearing you.
in
I'm
life.
hearing you. Please let me land, please.
Lifestyle, calm down, calm down.
Lifestyle, listen to me. I'm here to tell all men that they should, like what Nurse is saying, they should be wise in their home. You have to be wise and be watchful. You understand? Don't let love over carry you. Say maybe you can't.
Don't try to
Every
women
red
love.
flag you go to see red flag. You go to call and take am to be love. Because I myself, I saw a lot of. There was a lot of red flag. I never called it. I dey call am love. But now
So
when
why are you not blaming? So when
I'm
you
not
see
blaming anybody. I'm not here to blame anybody.
Wait.
Bros, for that period, so now you not go fit for the situation.
In this case, no,
No,
I
just
don't
a post
understand.
lifestyle first. Post
Now,
life.
Lifestyle, what are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about. I'm not blaming. I'm not here to blame anybody. I'm not blaming anybody.
Lifestyle, you never understand what you dey talk for here since. Be like say, even though they come, you don't think they know what you dey talk. You don't know the topic. See, we know they play here. Now made day here, no boy for here. Now made day here.
I guess he doesn't know. He doesn't.
Can I-
If you like, listen. If you like, don't
Lifestyle, you go
Don't
to my
beg me
page.
to
If you want to
listen.
know about me, you
if you
check
want
about
witness and
me.
witness and so that experience, witness is the best.
Yes, now experience is the best teacher.
Experience. If you witness and not the
Lifestyle
person
don't
will tell
come
you.
out. Lifestyle don't. I wanted to address lifestyle, but it don't come out online. I for tell them so many things.